In a world where pain and brokenness seem to surround us, there is a love that remains unwavering, a love that can heal and set us free. Romans 8:38-39 reminds us of the depths of God's love, a love that surpasses all understanding. It declares that nothing in all creation can separate us from His love. Do you carry the weight of past traumas? Are you burdened by the pain that lingers within? Well, take heart, for there is a love that can heal all those wounds and bring you to freedom. As you explore the depths of God's unconditional love, you'll begin to realize that you are fully known and fully loved. In His embrace, healing begins to unfold and the chains of past traumas are broken. God's love reaches beyond our flaws and mistakes. It's a love that accepts us as we are, bringing restoration to our brokenness and leading us to a future filled with hope, joy, and peace. Open your heart to the unending love of God. Let it wash over you, bringing healing to the deepest wounds and granting you the freedom that you long for. So today, embrace the truth that you are unconditionally loved by the Creator of the universe. Allow His love to transform your life, setting you free from the chains of the past. Remember, in God's love, you will find healing, restoration, and the freedom to live a life filled with purpose. So embrace the depths of His love and let it guide you on your journey of healing,